Do you also wonder as to why your plastic surgeon has advised you to stop smoking prior to a rhinoplasty? Let me answer that one for you today. Hi, I'm Dr. Mrinalini Sharma. I'm a plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in Estiva Cosmetic Clinic, Saket. In this video, I'm going to be telling you why it is so important to quit smoking before your rhinoplasty procedure. Smoking has potential effects both in terms of delayed wound healing and also anesthetic complications if not stopped adequately prior to a plastic surgery procedure. So first, let me talk about the anesthesia part of it. Whenever you're contemplating a surgery under general anesthesia, it is very important that your lung capacity is good, your breathing is good. Now, we all know that chain smoking can lead to a decrease in lung function. So you might have difficulty in climbing a flight of stairs, you might have difficulty in running on the treadmill. All this can lead to an increased risk of complications during anesthesia and also while recovering from anesthesia. The second and more important part is the healing from the surgery and also long-term results. So how does smoking affect healing? The nicotine in cigarettes is known to cause constriction in blood vessels. We all know that an adequate blood supply is very important for any tissue to heal properly. That is why if you want a flawless healing and a barely visible scar, it is very important that we should quit smoking prior to surgery. The second important part is the tissue damage which can happen. So we all know the blood supply is less, then any part of the body can get damaged. So your scar might be, more visible, more red for a longer period of time. It might be raised, something we call hypertrophic scarring. All this is because of the tissue damage which your body has encountered due to years of smoking and which is going to be getting unmasked after you undergo a surgery. The third thing is uneven healing. So because of the differences in the blood supply which has been brought about by smoking, some parts will heal earlier, some parts will heal slowly. So because of that unevenness in healing, you can have a result which is not appropriate, which does not look symmetric. So especially when you're going for an aesthetic procedure like a rhinoplasty, we know that it's all about symmetry. So this can also get hampered because of uneven scarring because of your prolonged smoking. The last thing which I want to tell you is also the difficulty in handling tissues. So suppose somebody has come to me for a revision rhinoplasty. As such, when we're doing a revision rhinoplasty, that site has been previously operated upon, there are changes in blood supply. Add to it, if the person is a smoker, the blood supply is further compromised and that is going to make the rhinoplasty almost impossible without causing any danger of, say, skin necrosis or the nose turning black. For all these reasons, it is very important to stop smoking adequately before the rhinoplasty, at least 2 to 4 weeks prior to it, and also continue to refrain from smoking for a period of 3 to 4 weeks after your procedure. I hope this video has cleared all doubts in your mind as to why your plastic surgeon is so insistent that you need to stop smoking before you get a scheduled surgery. And if you have any further queries, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.